Democrats have always attacked the Koch brothers and accused them of being cold-hearted, greedy, and evil, and that they wanted to keep all working Americans living in poverty and prevent them from being able to afford health insurance and health care because they're Republicans. However, this claim is false. We must acknowledge the fact that the Koch brothers are wonderful human beings. They're excellent and equitable employers, and they're among the greatest philanthropists who ever lived. The Koch brothers paid their employees an excellent living wage, and they've supported anti-war efforts, and they support reforming the criminal justice system and oppose the war on drugs, and they've donated millions of dollars to hospitals, colleges, and other charities. But first, I want to discuss their living wages. The Koch brothers paid their employees an average $1,000. This is much better than what Bernie Sanders pays his staff. Bernie Sanders only pays his staff $12 an hour, even though he insists he supports a $15 minimum wage. Secondly, the Koch brothers supported the complete withdrawal of U.S. troops from the Middle East, and they've donated to multiple anti-war causes. They donated $20 million to American Civil Liberties Union to fight the Patriot Act. They spent more money on fighting the George W. Bush administration's Patriot Act than they've spent on all political campaigns combined. The Koch brothers also supported reforming the criminal justice system, and they've opposed the war on drugs, and they've worked with Obama on this issue on November 24th, 2015. One of the bills the Koch industry supported states that requires the prosecutor to investigate whether the offender knew what they were doing was illegal, and whether they meant to do it maliciously or with intent to hurt people. This is a good idea because this uses the innocent until proven guilty tactic to protect the innocent people. Charles Koch's foundation, the Charles Koch Foundation, is trying to make college more affordable for all Americans, especially African Americans. Charles Koch Foundation provides grants and scholarships to 300 universities. The Charles Koch Foundation and Koch Industries donated $25 million to United Negro Children Fund, which helps fund scholarships for black college students, and it provides scholarship funding for 39 private black colleges and universities. In this regard, the Koch brothers have done much more to help black people than Obama ever did. David Koch donated $25 million to the Hospital for Special Surgery. This donation helped save Lawrence O'Donnell's life because the part of the money helped pay for Lawrence O'Donnell's surgery because he had a broken hip from a car accident. O'Donnell was so grateful that David Koch saved his life that he thanked him on live TV. In 1992, David Koch was diagnosed with prostate cancer. Because of this, he felt sympathy for anyone who was diagnosed with cancer, and as a result, he donated millions of dollars. He donated $395 million to cancer research causes and institutions. He created multiple cancer research institutions at many places, including Johns Hopkins University and MIT. This is why the Koch brothers deserve more credit than we give them. They have helped. They pay people an excellent living. Their employees an excellent living wage, and they've helped they've helped reform the criminal justice system, and they've donated millions of dollars to hospitals and saved so many lives in the process. And they've donated so much millions of dollars to colleges, which helps all American students being able to afford college so they can study without worrying about loans. And best of all, they supported anti-war efforts, and they wanted to end the Iraq War as soon as possible. They're good men. Excuse me. They're great men. Thank you.